I just wanted to show you a safety feature with pocket option. Now, I've been guilty of this in the past, where I've meant to trade $20 and ended up trading $200 and lost the trade. So there's a safety feature that not many people know about. So if you come over here to this little cog here and you click on it, it opens up a settings tab, and if you click on trading mode, there's a toggle here called trade amount limit. You turn that off and close that down. You'll now notice over here in your amount there's a little shield. If you click on that and you turn that on, you can set your limit to the maximum amount you can trade. So it just means that you don't falsely add, a $200 trade when you're trying to do a $20 trade. So once you've done that, just close that down, and now you can adjust that up or down, etc. It's just a nice way to protect yourself because, as I said, I've been guilty of it where I've meant to do a $2.30 trade and I've done a $23 trade, and then it's gone the wrong way and you've just blown your account quite easily. So just hopefully that's something that is very helpful for you.